hypothesis testing, correlation, and the PMCC. Example 2. All of this information is given right from the beginning. We're testing for a negative correlation, and that means we have a one-tailed test, 5% significance level. The sample size was 20, and the sample PMCC value minus 0.442. So as we're testing for a negative correlation, our critical region is on the left-hand side, where we have negative values on the number line. To work out the critical value, we go to our critical value table, and using n equals 20 and 5%, so n equals 20, 5% is 0.05, and we've got this value, 0.3783. But that value there highlighted is wrong. And it's wrong because we have negative correlation in this section, so only negative values are allowed here, and positive values in this side. So we have to change the sign to minus 0.3783. So any of these critical values can be positive or negative. And then our test value was minus 0.442, and that goes into the rejection region. So our final conclusion is to reject H0 and conclude that there is sufficient evidence of a negative correlation. Example 3. This time we have a two-tailed test. We're testing for any type of correlation, whether it's positive or negative. And the sample has a PMCC value of minus 0.45, and all of this information is given right from the beginning. So we use our number line method again, and we have two critical regions because it is a two-tailed test. So we need to work out two critical values. For a two-tailed test, you have to split your significance level. So 5%, 5%. So using n equals 30 and 5%, we go to the critical value tables. So n equals 30, 0.05 for 5%, with 0.3061. So we have our two critical values, positive, negative. And then our test value was minus 0.45, and we can see it falls into this critical region, so we're going to reject H0, and we conclude that there is sufficient evidence of linear correlation. It does appear that the correlation is negative, but that's not what we're going to write in our conclusion. We were testing for correlation, and that's what we found. There is some type of correlation present. For further practice, try these questions.